Hello, traders. Today is Friday, July 25th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we are on the 4-hour time frame to start with. So the 4-hour time frame did break structure to the upside, and it did make a higher low compared to this low over here, the main low. So now, in my eyes, we have two options. Either this is like a one big old ABC pretzel like this, and it's going to go all the way back up and take out those highs, or this move up right here is going to be a pullback to this last move down. It's going to go up to one of these fib levels and then turn back down again. So either scenario, honestly, we should be looking for longs on shorter time frames, right? So go down to the 1 hour time frame. If we see a Fibonacci bounce and a break of structure to the downside, we definitely want to get back short. I have no idea what Fibonacci level, maybe the 50 to 61 could be a likely area because of all the support and resistance in the past. But if it does something like this, it just maintains impulsive movement, making higher highs, higher lows, then we'll know that it's not a correction to this move down, and we'll just continue to look for longs. If it does a very overlapping pattern, up to a Fibonacci level and then turns back down, that's how we're going to know that it's a correction to the last wave down anyways. So either way, we should be looking for logs, and we should need to observe price to see whether it makes a corrective pattern up or whether it makes an impulsive pattern up. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.